are going to learn a very interesting topic. It's completely based on mathematics. And this mathematics is very interesting as we know. What are we going to do it? A very common topic as we are learning in grade 5, grade 6 and grade 7. It is based on fraction. Now what is the meaning of the fraction that we are going to learn? Along with that, some examples we are going to take. With this example, your concept will be more clear. What is the meaning of this fraction and what exactly the applications are? So let's begin with. First example I would like to take, and from there we are going to derive the expression with the definition with it. This is a fraction disk, we can say. If you observe, you will come to know in this fraction disk there are a number of parts we have observed. How many parts we have? Let's count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many parts we have? Total 8 parts. I am going to write here total number of parts. Now how many parts we have? We have total 8 parts into it. In this 8 part, you must have seen there are 2 parts have been orange in color. That is called as a colored portion. So how many portion we have it? It is a colored portion. I am going to write here colored portion. Colored portions are 2. What we are going to do it, with the help of these numbers, we are going to write the fraction. And how to write it? Now, first we are going to write total number of parts. That will be in the denominator. How many we have? Total number of parts are 8. And colored portion, we have total 2. So these are the 2 colored portion. I am going to write it here. Total number of parts I am going to write in the denominator. So this numerator and denominator, when it comes together, it will be form a certain number. That number is called as fraction. You must have observed this fraction definition is completely based on these 2 things into it. First one is numerator and the second is denominator. When numerator and denominator is given in any kind of the number, that particular number is called as fraction. Now, let's see one more example into it. Just now we have observed this disk, it consists of the 2 color portion and rest of are the total number of parts we have taken. You can take an example like a pizza. For example, suppose the 6 pieces we have in a pizza and you have eaten 2 pieces from it. So what can you do it? You are going to count total number of pieces of a pizza. You will write in the denominator and the pieces which you have eaten, that you can write in the numerator. Along with that, you can form into in a form of a fraction. Is it simple? Another example, this strip I have taken. You can consider this strip, it is complete 1. Alright, now in this one strip, I am going to make 2 equal parts from it. So let's check. The first part, what I am going to do it, I will adjust it here. And the second part which we have made it, that I am going to adjust it here. So if you have observed, when I join both the parts together, one complete strip has been formed. Right? Into this, if I want to write the same numbers in a form of a fraction, so what I will do it, there is one single strip, but we have divided into 2 equal parts. So that one part we have taken into consideration and total number of parts are 2. As I said, total number always we are going to write in the denominator. And how many strips I have taken? Here the first strip only I have taken. So here will be 1. So this 1 upon 2 is nothing but what is called as half. And then half also it is called as a fraction. Is it clear? One more thing. Suppose the second strip also I am going to take it. Here total number of parts are 2. And one strip I have taken under consideration. So I will write here it is 1. So this is half and this is half. If you add both the numbers together, you will come to know the answer is 1. Is it simple? Now here also the numerator has come, denominator has come. That's why this is called as fraction. Okay. Now one question for you. Let's have a look. Suppose the same type of strip I have taken again. That is, we can consider it is 1. In this 1, if I want to divide into 3 equal parts, so what I need to do it? Now measure we have taken. Okay, now I will make it into 3 equal parts. This is part 1. Okay, I have made the second part also for it. So this is part 2. We have to adjust it properly. Alright, and one more part we can take it, and that is part 3. Now, these 3 parts, if you take it all together, you will come to know again one strip has been formed. But now, if I want to represent the same strips in the form of fraction, so what I will write? How many parts we have made of 1? Total 3 equal parts. That's why we are going to write denominator will be 3. Into that first strip I have taken under consideration. So here I will write it as 1. Correct? Same way you can take it for the second strip also. Here total number of parts are 3 and 1 we have taken from it. Correct? The third part also. Here we are going to write number 3, that is total number of parts, and 1 part of it. Correct? So I have written for individual. Correct? If you add this all the numbers together, what will be the answer? Let's check it out whether my answer is right or wrong. Let's take 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. What you will get? Let's calculate. How to calculate it? These are the application. Denominator is same, right? So we are going to write that equal denominator only one time. Alright? And the numerator value which we have, this numerator we will add it together. So it is 1 plus 1. Here will be 2. 2 upon 2. And this number 2, both the number 2's are divisible by itself. Correct? So 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. We'll get the answer is 1 upon 1. Or you can write only 1. Is it same? Yes. So this is called as fraction. Are you getting it? Next time. It is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. If you add this all the 1 upon 3, now tell me the answer what you will get. Here again the same process we have to do. If fraction consists of equal denominator, that equal denominator we have to write only one time. Do not forget, do not add this denominator. If you add, then the answer is incorrect. Equal denominator always we will write only one time. And numerator, that is 1, we are going to write as it is. So what we will get? Here it is 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is 3 and here also 3. So 3 ones are 3 and here is 3 ones are 3. Again we have got an answer is 1. Is it correct? Yes. So that means we come to know this type of the fraction we have and the application based on the question also. You can take multiple examples. Simple example, suppose orange you have taken. You can identify number of pieces of the orange and from that you can write down the same factors in the form of a fraction. Chocolate, dairy milk we are eating. The dairy milk also is an example of a fraction. You can count the number of chocolates from it, the small pieces, and you can note it down with the help of a fraction method. Fraction is basically numerator upon denominator. We have different types of the fractions into it, but now we have learned is one of this application and what is a fraction stands for. I hope this video will be going to help you out to understand the basic concept of fraction. If you wanted to see more videos, you can follow me or you can contact on the number. Thank you.